Hello guys, welcome back to another video on this channel and thanks for viewing. So today we will talk about the Java copyValueOf method, which is used to copy the value or the content of an array of characters inside a given string. And when copying the content of the array of characters inside the string, the method will replace the existing string values with the sequence of characters copied from the array of characters. So now in the first example, I will show you how to use this copyValueOf method to copy the whole content of the array of characters inside the string. And let's say that we have a string variable that we call str, and we have assigned the value hello world in it, and I'll put the semicolon like this. And we also have an array of character that we have called array characters, array underscore characters. And we are storing these characters inside. The first one is C, the second is O, the third is D, fourth I, fifth one is N, and finally G. So these are the values that we are storing in our array. So sorry, my bad, I need to add this like this. All right, so now as we say that we will copy this, the content of this array inside our str string variable. So we need to write str and then call our method. So we will call the method by writing str, that the name of the method, which is copy value of. And now inside the brackets here, I need to specify the array, the name of the array from which we are going to copy the characters. So I will say array underscore characters, because that's the name we gave to our array when we declared it here, and semicolon. And if I run, I do a System.out.println first and say that I want to output the value stored in str. You will see that I will get coding instead of hello world, okay? Because as this statement says it, the values stored in our array characters is now being copied into our string variable str. That's why we're getting coding here. And so that's it concerning the first example. In the second example, I will show you how to use the copyValueOf method to copy only specified characters of our array inside the string. So we will specify the offset, the starting index position from where the method will copy the character, and also specify the number of characters to be copied. So I will keep the string variable and the array like this, and the only thing I'm going to add in here is going to add two parameters. The first parameter will represent the index position from where the method will have to start copying from the array. So I will say, for example, 2. And then the second parameter will be representing the number of characters to be copied. I would say 4, like this. So now if I run in the console, I will get this value ding. So that means that it has started copying from the index position 2 and up to G here, because we say that it has to copy 4 characters only. So if we say 3 characters, you will see that we will get D in here. Okay, so G is no longer part of the characters being copied because we said only 3 characters. And also we can check index position 2 is, this is index position 1, index position, this is index position 0, index position 2, 1, and index position 2 is the character D here. So that's why we have D here. And so from D, we have to count 3 characters. D is character 1, I is character 2, and N is character 3. So that's why we have D in here. If we say 4 characters, in our console, we also have 4 characters copied. If we say, okay, let's start copying from index position 1, and we copy 4 characters, so we will have Odin. So index position 1 is character O here, so character O is character 1, character 2, character 3, character 4 is N here. And if we say, let's copy 5 characters, we will get Odin. So guys, that's actually how you can play around this copy value of method in Java to copy only a specific number of characters starting from a specified index position. So that was it concerning the copy value of method in Java that can allow you to copy the content of an array of characters into a given string, and you can also copy just a specific number of characters from a specified index position inside your array. And also note that the value, when the value are copied and replaced, it will replace and erase the initial values that were stored in the string. So I hope this video was informative, and please feel free to comment to ask any question concerning this video, and like this video and also subscribe to this channel. So let's meet in the next video.